Dear Teroxx community, welcome to our weekly trade of the week video. We will give a short analysis and of course giving some insights how we evaluated the positions. All in all, in long positions, the sell point should be higher than the buy point to gain profits. Reasons to buy are huge dips and now rebounds, upcoming news of a token or project. When your TA based on your indicators is showing good opportunities, when you're having a vola or volume breakout, or as an early investor, if a project is not bottomed out yet or is not that famous yet, but you think it's a good one, you of course can invest over there. Reasons to sell: stop loss hits or the trading stop loss hits to secure the funds. Indicators or technical analysis showing a trend change to may sell at the highest point, or when we just feel comfortable with our profits as well, we can sell to book our profits, which you only realize profits are real profits. Or when we're touching resistance level like we saw in Bitcoin over the last weeks, always when we're touching 10k, we're going down again. So as well, there could be good sell points. All in all, there are no golden routes for buying or selling. These are just a few options I wanted to show you so that as well you have an idea how we are evaluating the long positions. And last week we saw a cryptocurrency market that couldn't make any jumps. Neither Bitcoin nor the altcoins could break through resistance or lost support lines. Most of the curses ran plus minus zero with smaller dips, and through the uneventful week we focused on buying in dips or highly volatile assets as Link did this week. We closed and sold Link with 7.5% profit and held a Bitcoin position since around 9k with around 3.5%. Exactly that can we see over here. So what happened in Bitcoin over the last weeks? What we saw in Bitcoin is that we had two major dips last week. So first dip went from around 10k, from retesting 10k, just down to 9k, 8% down. So basically all the upstream we gained in the last weeks were easily gone, how you can see over here, within a few candles. We then just had a small upwards trend and went sideways, but what is kind of interesting, we again lost power and steam, and from the local resistance again we lost around 4.5%. Then Bitcoin found a good support at around 9k, and as we saw that it held 9k, we went in and then just had this trade running over a few days. And how you as well can see, we had a local resistance as well built it over here at around 9,570. All in all, after the market went up 6% again within a few hours, the next 5 days the market just went sideways with a little downtrend, how you can see. And to just show you how you really need to be focused and inside the market day by day is that until the next upswing we had 5 days or nearly 6 days of sideways movement where no long position were good to catch. The two, how you can see, the trend was negative. So basically from 9.5 we went down to 9.250, which is a good support at least for the last weeks, and then just as well went up again. So what we saw is in these 6 days you could not open any new long position. After the market had a little bounce, we sold, and after we saw it was a good trend continuation, we went in again. And how you can see as well, we sold near the highest point. And this is what I say with having the eyes open on the market. We always trading our stop losses, but in this case we just closed it manually due to we not trusted this market, and how you as well can see the market then just went down. And in this morning the market went down nearly 3.5%. It's not that much, but of course we lost 9.5. We lost the MA50, 100 and 200 lines, these black lines, they are now above us again to may act as resistances in the 1 hour chart. So basically all in all what we did here is we just bought back the dips and then saw a week with one upswing, but all in all it was very uneventful, how you can see 5.5 days or nearly 6 days with a sideways to downwards trend. So nothing to do over there, but of course we need to hold the eyes open to then catch good opportunities. Same goes for Link. Link was high volatile. And what is high volatile? I can show you that from this highest point over here to the lowest point over here we went down 16% in Link. And we went down in Link 16% within 4 days. So in 4 days you would have lost 16% of all your asset value in Link if you don't have stop losses. So as well, Link is kind of a very bullish coin or token at this moment. And what we as well see is that we're having support here at around $3.70. There was a support in Link. And what you as well can see is that around $4 there is a good support in Link. So Link is often above $4 in the last month, and so you can see when we're below 4 it's kind of really bearish. So what we saw here is that Link went down to 370 and then just went up again, but then as well had a local resistance as the whole market went sideways at around $4.22 or $4.20. So all in all, from this lowest point of here to the highest point last week, Link went up around 14%, and we catched around 7.5% of it. So quite good due to, of course, we not exactly knew, but we had a feeling where the support could be. So we had the eyes open on this market and then realized after we saw a positive trend continuation, now you can see a lot of green candles over here, that the support worked. The RSI shot up too, so here was a good opportunity. We went in, and as the market then lost a little steam, we went out of this market to realize the profits. All in all, we gained 7.5% profits in Link last week. And how you as well may know is that Link just shot up over the last days and over the last time frames. So over here as well, we had a quite bullish outbreak. We had this MA 150 and 200 line quite below us as a support, and then the market just lifted up. And this is exactly how you need to have the eyes open on this market. Did you here in Link, it's totally clear to see that this bullish outbreak was kind of good. It was kind of expected as well, had a position in it, and then of course you need to step out once the market is turning down again. Hope you liked this video. If you do so, I would love it if you could comment, like or share this video, and we will hear us next time when it comes to Trade of the Week provided by Teroxx.